You get some cleaning tablets with your Sage Barista Express, but they get used pretty quickly and they can be quite expensive to replace once you run out. In this video, we'll quickly show you some quality but cheap alternatives that you can buy from Amazon that produce the same cleaning results but being much cheaper. When it comes to cheaper alternatives, you really can't get better than these two products for the price. Cafiza from Urnex is one of the most popular choices for the industry and provides quality cleaning tablets but at a low cost. You can buy these in packs of 32 or 100, and these 2-gram tablets are used in many espresso machines every day all around the world. You can also buy these in 1.2-gram tablets, but 2 grams is recommended as provides better results. Another popular choice for the Sage Barista Express user is the choice from Clean Espresso. These are also 2-gram tablets that come in a pack of 20. They are more expensive than Urnex Cafiza but apparently provide better results. We'd recommend the Cafiza Urnex option as you get much better value for money and the end results are pretty much the same, and I doubt you'll find any difference. For a pack of 100 Cafiza tablets, expect to pay around £12 compared to £20 for a pack of 20 Clean Espresso tablets. Whichever option you go with, it's still a lot cheaper than the £14 you pay for 8 tablets directly from the Sage website for their Expresso cleaning tablets. You'll find links in the description for these products on Amazon, so please feel free to give these a try and see how much money you can save. Thanks for watching. Please ask any questions in the comments below and feel free to watch our other videos for the Sage Barista Express.